Hi, my name is Katie MacArthur,
I'm Ellie Jakes.
and we did our lesson in 8th grade on U.S. history.
Yep, and our targeted content is U.S. history, and our supporting content is English language arts.
So, our target standard is to describe the major battles of the Civil War.
And our supporting standard is to determine the central ideas or information of a primary or secondary source, provide an accurate summary of the source distinct from prior knowledge or opinions.
So, the focus of this lesson is for students to read and summarize the major battles of the Civil War.
So just going through our procedures really quick. So for our introduction, we decided to do the think, pair, share strategy. And with this, we'll have the students pair up and they can just together discuss what significant events they think happened to lead up to the Civil War and all the battles. And then they'll each pick one event that they found to be the best and write it on the whiteboard. Then we found a short little video that they can watch that discusses what led up to the Civil War, just to kind of give them more background knowledge on the battles. And then after the video, we'll come together as a class and discuss what they had written on the board and add any new ones that they came across.
Okay, after they watch that video and added stuff to the board, we will hand out the article that discusses the 10 major battles of the Civil War, and we will also hand out a worksheet that they will be doing as they read the article. And on the worksheet, it discusses for each battle, you have to write down the date and the name of the battle, the significance, who won the battle, and just an interesting fact that you found. And then another option, if students are not as confident in their comprehension with just reading the article on the paper, we will also have a pre-recorded listening station for students to listen to the article being read to them.
And then after they're all done reading and going through and writing the chart themselves, we'll go through the chart as a class and just discuss each battle and each section on the chart, just to make sure they have all the correct information and just hear some of the interesting facts that they found.
And then after that, we will be introducing the assignment. And for this assignment, we will have the students pick their favorite battle that they read about or just one that kind of stuck out to them. And for this, they will pick their major battle and do research on it. And to do research on it, we will have iPads or some sort of computer wheeled into the room, or if they're in there, great. Then they will put themselves in the shoes of a soldier or a nurse in the Civil War, and then they will write home to their family what the battle was like, just some interesting facts, weather, date, time, commanding soldiers, just to overall show us that they have gained an understanding of that major battle and the impact that it had on them and also on those around them.
And then for the closure, we decided to do the 3-2-1 exit slip, and that's also attached at the bottom of our lesson plan. So they need to record down 3 things that they learned, 2 things that they found interesting, and 1 thing that they still have a question about from the lesson.
Thanks.